Here is the Kia Sedona, and that's the bulb right over there. In order to access it, we have to open up the hatch. So let's go ahead, open the hatch, and right over there is the access panel. For that, you need to get a small flathead screwdriver, put it right over there in that slot, and then pry the cover off. Right there, it comes off easily. That's the bulb holder for the inner tail light bulb. Just grab it and then twist to the left to loosen it, and out it comes. To get the bulb out, just push down on the bulb and then twist to the left. So push down, twist it left, and out it comes. The bulb size is 2357. Check the link in description to buy the new bulb from Amazon. Let's go ahead, get the new bulb, and then push it down back in the bulb holder. If you're not able to push it down, don't worry. Just take it out, turn it around. Now you should be able to push it down. So push it down, twist your right, let it go. Now when you put it back in the light, you see this big tab on the bulb holder. It lines up with the big slot on the light. So that way when you put it back in, it just drops right in like this. Or else you'll be spending a few seconds just twisting and turning, getting it to align and drop in. Once it sits in like this, just twist it right and you're done. Let's put this cover back on, and this side with these two clips it goes in first. Then get the rest of the cover in position and then press it down to secure it, and that is looking good. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.